I started doing it in high school, and I found out that my blood type was O negative, and it's universal. So I just started donating ritually after that. My stepdad has leukemia, 8 mmL, and it just drives me to know that as much as it hurts me, I know that other people are hurting just as much for needing blood for their family members, so we should do it for everybody. It's really a lot of fun. The people are really nice. It actually is not as scary as some people think that it is, and I would go with you. That way you're not alone. And if you knew my stepdad and knew that what he needed and knew that he's a jokester and he always makes my children laugh and everybody loves him, I would love for anybody and everybody, especially O negative, to help give for him.